I love trading venture cap because, oh my God, I mean, you just don't see these kind of moves in a crude oil contract. It's not going to double, triple, quadruple kind of idea in a day. Look at this one. This one just looks incredible. Look at that. Oh, you cute little W. This is a weekly chart. Look at the daily chart. Oh my goodness, he's getting ready to go. Look at this one. Oh my God, this ARPA. I mean, look at that. You can see the W's are coming in here. And look at the OBV. And look at the W's in the indicators. Willie was stupid. Oh my God, get ready, folks. By the way, if you trade altcoins, holy crap, there are W's. Didn't somebody say something like you better get your skirt together over the past 6 months? And I do find it hilarious that if you go out into the public, they have no interest in coins right now. And yet these Schultz, I think they just look so awesome. They're so ready to go. They look like what Bitcoin looked like 6, 8 months ago. I can't justify coming in and investing new money in Bitcoin right now. This is, it's actually coming into technical objectives. So, take profit objectives. But there are a lot of names that are putting in just the most prettiest bottoms. I think look at that little LTO. You can see he's getting ready to go. But there were a couple of them this morning that I was looking at that were just like, oh my God, this looks incredible. The crypto bull is starting to come back, folks. And if you want to make money, I love trading venture cap because, oh my God, I mean, you just don't see these kind of moves in a crude oil contract. It's not going to double, triple, quadruple kind of idea in a day. Look at this one. This one just looks incredible. Look at that. Oh, you cute little W. This is a weekly chart. Look at the daily chart. Oh my goodness, he's getting ready to go. Look at this one. Oh my God, this ARPA. I mean, look at that. You can see the W's are coming in here. And look at the OBV. And look at the W's in the indicators. Willie was stupid. Oh my God, get ready, folks. I sure hope you have your trading plans already. I think this LIT I was looking at, yeah, looks like he's getting ready to go here. So you can see I'm buying away here on all of these things. I mean, this market just looks so incredible. In fact, actually, I think Chris's name, one of his names, I think just looks really good. Yeah, it's already gone. I was kind of hoping this thing would come back down to the bottom. I hope it doesn't take off. I think I remember this LDO. Look at that W right there. Oh my goodness, you can see it. Look at the volume coming in here, folks. Oh goodness. Anyway, be sure to tune into the Coinigy show tomorrow night, because we'll probably spend a good couple hours just going out name after name after name, and Brian just losing his lunch over how bullish he is right now. I can't believe like we've been sitting here waiting for like 2 years for this damn bull to come back, and now it's finally looks like it's starting to come back. So congratulations, all you risk takers and all the people that have their shit together. Like guys like Eddie and stuff like that. That guy should be so stinking rich by the end of this move. But the point here is you can see these bottoms are all coming in. In fact, actually, this is another one that where did it go? That the gentleman I was chatting with in the day trader room this morning, he saw this one and he's like, "Hey, check this one out, Brian." And I'm like, "Yeah, just add it to the pile." It's remarkable how bullish these things look. This sand. Don't know whether he's ready to go on a weekly basis. I was looking at this on a log chart. That's why. Look at this on a daily chart. Oh, this is just regular sort of non-logarithmic look. Are we back down at or below reload zones? I mean, is this the place where little old ladies can come in and start accumulating these? Absolutely. I mean, this is everything I'm trying to teach you guys. Do we have indicators spitting out W's? I mean, I used to work with this guy, Da Vinci. I mean, that's exactly what you want to see. The bear is ending. If anything, that in my sort of education on using RSI, I look for this kind of W to come in to say that the bear slide is over. And if we get another W and it happens to come through the 50 line, oh, gee whiz, look at that high is 48. So if we blast off through here, this thing's going to take off like a rocket. And I mean, you tell me, is there any money to be made on this market? I mean, this stuff's ridiculous. So, I mean, they're just everywhere. Right? So, I mean, I sure hope you have your shit together. Look at that daily W there. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. And, I mentioned Da Vinci, right? Because this was sort of his gift to the world. And what's fascinating about Dav, I don't even know if he even trades anymore because he's so fucking rich. On our free platform, 30-day trial, I don't want to take ownership of Dav signals. And I really don't like how people do that. So, he's part of our community. And I like the idea of promoting him. And of course, if he wants to come in and say, hey, Brian, take that off, fine. But he developed this while at TRI, while in the education program. And I think it's a totally awesome trading system, the Devos. And really, all they're looking for is just show me W's and indicators and price. I want to see volume. I want to see price momentum, right? And you get these kind of moves. Woo-wee, look at that. So I don't know whether we have new signals being generated on this. I guess, middle to the end of October. So I guess I don't know where. I guess that was that signal there. Yeah, I would prefer to buy W. So if you had bought this W down here, that would have been a little better. Actually, this one kind of crapped out. We were Wing out, but then it broke down. So I have anything good analogy of risk management. So I guess what I'm trying to say here is when I do start seeing W's come in on the indicators, that gets me super excited. I think this is a pretty good looking one right there. You can see the W in price, W in OBV, W in RSI, W in Willie. Take a screenshot of this. This is your sort of your free message of the day. Looks like we're getting a huge W coming in on MACD. Try and look for this kind of situation where you get W's across your indicators, W's across your price, and get in there.